guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm heading out to Mitaka and Inokashira Park because I am finally, after 3 years of missing out on tickets, going to the Studio Ghibli Museum. The Studio Ghibli Museum is notoriously hard to get tickets to. You usually have to book them way in advance with the travel agent in your local country, or you can buy them from a vending machine in a convenience store, but that process is all in Japanese. Plus they only have a limited amount of tickets per day and they do sell out very quickly. So this is literally my 4th time trying to get tickets, and I literally waited until the morning of the day they got released in Australia, and then I snapped up a ticket for myself. So I will be heading to Mitaka today to see the museum. It is inside Inokashira Park, and then the park is very close to a neighbourhood called Kichijoji, which is one of the most desired places to live in Tokyo. Apparently it's a lovely little neighbourhood, so I'm gonna go check that out in the afternoon as well. Right now I am going to head out to a coffee shop very close to my apartment called Paddler's. It's apparently very famous, and I am in desperate need of a coffee this morning, so let's go. Okay, just finished coffee. Now it's time to head to the Ghibli Museum. There's the Ghibli bus, guys. In the actual museum, you can't take photos or videos, but I will show you guys a little bit around the outside of the museum. But for the inside, you'll just have to come and see for yourself. There is a little section outside where you can take some photos with the giant robot if you want. You have to climb all the way up the stairs to check out this area. Definitely come in the morning if you can, guys. Look at the line now. I just finished at the Ghibli Museum, and oh my goodness, if you guys are fans of Ghibli, any of the films, it is worthwhile going. Just make sure you get your tickets in advance. I couldn't take photos or video in there, but I did buy a set of postcards that have illustrations of each of the rooms, so I thought I would pick that up and then I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like inside. Now I'm just having a walk in Inokashira Park. It's literally just outside the museum, and I'm gonna walk through the park to head to Kichijoji. Look at all the cherry blossom behind me. made it to Kichijoji. Let's have a look around. All the apartment buildings are very cool. There's a well-known cat cafe called Cat Cafe Tenmari Ouchi in Kichijoji, and so I thought, well, I have a couple of hours spare before I'm meeting up with Yuma for dinner, and I just want a nice quiet place to sit down, so why not give it a go? Entry into the cat cafe is 1,200 yen for one adult person, and you can stay here for as long as you like. So if you're looking for a relaxing afternoon, this is pretty good. Hey guys, I just finished at the cat cafe. Oh, what a nice relaxing way to spend an afternoon. For now, I'm heading back to Kichijoji station to go to Shin-Okubo, which is Japan's Koreatown, to meet up with Yuma because we're gonna have Korean for dinner. It started to get cold too, so anything spicy sounds good to me. Hey guys, I'm back at my apartment now and full of Korean food. Ugh. If you're ever looking for a good Korean fix, definitely go to Shin-Okubo. It's known as Tokyo's Koreatown, and the food, yum. I thought I would share with you guys a little sneak peek of the inside of the Studio Ghibli Museum. Now I know you're not allowed to take photos or videos inside the museum, so when I saw these in the gift shop, I just had to get them. These are hand-drawn postcards of each of the areas of the Studio Ghibli Museum. Oh, they're so pretty. And I figured because I couldn't film in there, if I got these postcards, I could at least share with you a little taste of what the museum is like. It's basically a little stationery kit. It has 10 postcards, 10 notelets, and 20 envelopes. So aren't they beautiful? So this is just the entrance of the museum. This is what the entrance hall looks like when you first walk into the museum. Once you get into the museum, you actually swap your exchange order for an actual physical ticket, and it is a little piece of film, like real film. It is so cool. Here, let me go and find my ticket. Can you guys kind of see that? Oh, so pretty. You can use this to get into the theatre inside the museum to watch the exclusive museum only film. These little touches are so cute. This is the area you wait in just before going into the theatre. There's also replicas of these studios that Hayao Miyazaki and his team all work in. These rooms were extremely immersive and full of original drawings and sketches. It was absolutely beautiful. There's also a life-size cat bus for little kids to run around and jump in. Unfortunately, it is too small for adults. But there's also an outdoor little patio area where you can just sit down and relax And then of course there is the official Studio Ghibli Museum cafe. I know it's not quite the same as the real thing, but I thought that's a nice little way to just show you guys a little sneak peek of the museum. For the rest of the night I have a lot of packing to do because I'm heading to Osaka. I have been to Osaka twice before, but I think the last time was still 3 or 4 years ago, so I'm really looking forward to heading back there again. I'm planning on going to Osaka Castle, Namba, Dotonbori. And just thinking about all of the amazing Osaka food. So I have a lot of packing to do tonight, so I will sign off today's video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will catch you in tomorrow's one in Osaka. Bye!